When people look at a building, what do they see? How about a factory or a power station? Do they only see what's on the outside? The walls, the windows, the sign on the door? Or do they see what we see? Enecon knows that the most important parts of any facility are not always obvious. Piping, tanks, and pumps. The floor, roof, chillers, and boilers. Protecting and maintaining these areas are what keeps a facility alive. That's why the job of the maintenance professional is so critical. And as time passes and our infrastructure ages, extending the lives of our buildings, factories, power stations, and other important facilities is quickly becoming one of the critical challenges of our time. Enecon has spent decades helping our customers around the world meet these challenges head-on. Our wide range of high-performance repair and protection materials provide cost-effective solutions to many of the most difficult problems faced by maintenance professionals. Let's take a closer look at some specific examples from around the world. In Canada, the largest indoor soccer stadium in North America developed leaks as a result of hundreds of holes and aging seams. Enecon Alberta was called in and made the repair for a fraction of the replacement cost using Eneseal HR. Eneseal HR is a unique ceramic-filled liquid membrane which creates a durable, seamless, flexible skin that refracts and reflects heat while providing a moisture-resistant barrier to virtually any surface. Surfaces like this galvanized plate roof on an apartment building in Poland. The roof had developed leaks and also became extremely hot in sunlight, making the top floor apartments uncomfortably warm. The entire roof was overcoated with Eneseal HR to provide a leak-proof, heat-refractive surface. Eneseal HR is also routinely used to protect all types of insulation from impact as well as oil and moisture impregnation. It is microporous, so any moisture that may have been trapped beneath the insulation can breathe out, minimizing corrosion issues that often can occur under the insulation. Leaks in these electrical switchgear cabinets in the United States were causing the equipment inside to short circuit and sometimes even explode. A hazardous situation that led to costly power outages. Enecon engineers were able to detail a procedure for waterproofing and corrosion protection for these switchgear cabinets that has been used in hundreds of these applications, utilizing Eneseal CR as well as Eneseal HR. Eneseal CR is a single-component water-based coating which dries to a highly durable, corrosion-resistant elastomeric barrier that provides extraordinary environmental protection to metal and concrete masonry surfaces. It is also surface tolerant and therefore doesn't require abrasive blasting of the substrate prior to application. One of the largest mass transit operators in the United States was struggling to deal with persistent roof leaks in their train cars. Using Eneseal CR as a primer, followed by 2 coats of Eneseal HR, the leaks were repaired on hundreds of cars, all for a fraction of the cost of a complete roof overhaul. In Australia, Eneseal CR's unique properties were put to the test on this 156,000 square foot roof, which needed protection from the elements. The roof was then top-coated with Eneseal HR to provide a heat-refractive surface and additional protection from the environment. In India, these steel electrical towers were built in the 1960s and were corroding badly due to the high humidity and rain in the region. After a 6-month evaluation, Eneseal CR was approved and specified for this application, which covered thousands of square feet of exposed metal surface. One of the largest oil companies in the Philippines needed to solve a severe corrosion issue on a large gasoline tank, and abrasive blasting was simply not an option. A 2-coat system of surface-tolerant Eneseal CR was applied to provide long-term corrosion protection. When faced with their most difficult concrete repair issues, customers around the world choose Enecon's DuraQuartz high-performance concrete repair composite. exhibiting outstanding adhesion and superior compressive strength. Duraquartz can be mixed to any consistency and will bond to almost anything: marble, stone, slate, even metal. At this medical center in the United States, the main entry steps needed serious repairs. Duraquartz was first used to rebuild the deteriorating stair structure, and then Enecon CR was applied to protect the staircase from further corrosion, as well as provide a more uniform appearance. Enecon's Durafil composite was then used to create a non-slip finish on the surface of the steps. Durafil is specifically designed for broadcast flooring applications, as well as for filling deeper holes and cavities in concrete. In both cases, the Durafil is combined with locally sourced aggregates to provide unrivaled performance in some of the most demanding flooring and concrete repair and protection applications. Applications like this one at this nuclear power station in Spain, where massive concrete storage pools needed to be repaired and protected. The plant engineers selected Duraquartz and Durafil to repair any damaged concrete and to screed and prime all of the surfaces of the pools. One coat of ChemClad SC was then applied over the entire pool area to provide a waterproof and maintenance-free surface. Or this flower manufacturer in Morocco, which used Durafil to repair 1,000 square meters of cracked and pitted tile floors. At this research laboratory in Poland, traffic from transport carts, some exerting a force on the floor of 10 tons per square meter, left the floor badly damaged. Using Enecon CFS and Durafil with locally sourced aggregate, Enecon was able to make the repairs in this demanding and very critical environment. This power company in the United States had a problem with electrical tower bases that were crumbling due to exposure to the elements. Using Durafil mixed with pea gravel and sand, as well as Duraquartz and Enecon CR, Enecon was able to provide a cost-effective and long-lasting solution. In Mallorca, this 70,000 square foot aircraft hangar needed a floor protection system that could stand up to kerosene, hydraulic fluids, solvents, and aggressive cleaning chemicals. After an extensive evaluation, they chose Enecon FPS for this critical floor protection application. Enecon FPS was developed to solve some of the toughest industrial floor protection problems. It is easily applied by brush, roller, or squeegee to a super high gloss finish. Non-skid aggregates can be incorporated into the Enecon FPS to provide a highly durable, slip-resistant surface. Prime, seal, and smooth rough concrete surfaces in one simple step with Enecon WBC. Enecon WBC is a water-based two-component coating system that has been specifically designed to seal and protect concrete surfaces that may experience moisture problems. For sealing and dust-proofing concrete floors, there's Enecon CFS, or Clear Floor Sealer. Enecon CFS is a 100% solids, clear concrete sealer that is virtually odor-free and has no VOCs. It penetrates and seals porous concrete, providing a hard-wearing, non-dusting, easy-to-clean surface. And for priming, sealing, and smoothing out rough concrete surfaces, there's no better solution than Enecon SPS self-priming screed. This thermoelectric plant in Chile was experiencing severe corrosion in their concrete acid containment areas. Enecrete Durafil was used to repair all damaged areas, followed by 2 coats of ChemClad SC for maximum protection. In areas where blasting and grinding may not be possible, Enecon Superbond may be used to create slip-resistant strips, as we see in this example on a set of marble steps at a hospital in Montreal. In fact, several Enecon composites may be combined with different sizes and types of aggregate to create durable, non-slip safety surfacing almost anywhere. At this nitrogen manufacturing plant in Russia, concrete machine shop floors were cracking and creating an unsafe work environment. Durafil, together with Eneclad FPS in tile red and Chemclad SC, were used to make the repairs and necessary floor striping. Eneclad SPS, as well as Chemclad SC and XC, were used by this power company in Italy to repair a badly damaged containment floor in a chemical storage area. For stopping active leaks, waterproofing and sealing masonry surfaces where hydrostatic pressure is a problem, there's Enecrete WS and WP. This subway tunnel in Canada had developed significant leak problems due to hydrostatic pressure. None of the conventional waterproofing and repair procedures they tried could deal with the issues that stretched the entire 5-kilometer length of the tunnel. Enecrete WP was used to stop the leaks, solving the problem and saving significant time and money in the process. To provide extraordinary weather protection to virtually all types of concrete, masonry and mineral surfaces, there's Eneseal MP. Eneseal MP is a single-component, water-based, ultra-low viscosity weather barrier which dries to a completely invisible, water-repellent masonry sealer. The list of potential problems is as endless as it is unpredictable. That's why Enecon's worldwide team of field engineering specialists is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with locations in more than 70 countries across 6 continents. Reacting quickly to help our customers diagnose their specific problems, prescribe the most cost-effective solution to those problems, and then be there to work with our customers to make sure the solution is implemented properly, ensuring complete satisfaction and often saving significant money in the process. That's the Enecon approach to complete facilities protection, rehabilitation, and maintenance. Whether it's a simple repair or a complex project, our customers feel confident making us an integral part of their repair and maintenance team. Products, service, vision. Enecon Corporation. Problem solved.